Well, I do apologise. I didn't film anything. I just got onto it, and then I realised, oh shit, I forgot to film it. But basically, what I did is measured it from there to there, so that gave me 33 centimeters. So that's the width of my cardboard. And then what I did is I grabbed this one, put it on there, and then I measured it from this edge to this edge. So that gave me, I believe it was 44. And then after that, so I've cut length and height, and to actually know where this wall is, all I did is I just put it on this side and measured the gap from here to there, and that's what it is, if you see. And then what I did is I put notches in here, and when I'm gonna put the, well, not notches, just marks, but when I'm gonna put the other side of the floor, I'm gonna mark exactly the same spot on that, and then all I have to do is put this alongside of the edge on the other side and basically mark the circle out. I'll probably drop something over so I know exactly where it is, and Bob's your uncle. Simple as that. So that's what I'm gonna go do now. I'm gonna go and drill them holes in there. Now, I am gonna film this. So bloody wind is absolutely mad, so I do apologise about that, but yeah, let me get down to business. That's the holes all cut, and if you can see, I don't think you'll be able to see. Let's see if I can. Nah, I can't shine in a hole right, so you could possibly see the sub. Oh yeah, so you can see Pioneer directly in the middle. So yeah, that's what it is. That part is finished now, so basically this is all ready for carpet, apart from doing all the routing the edge. And actually I'm gonna route both edges on here, from the top and from the inside. The rest is just gonna get outside. Nothing is gonna get rounded over on the top. To be honest, I'll round the top one as well. Then what do we have? Take this thing out. Oh, crap. Working and filming. Well, doing things and filming at the same time. So this is gonna left for the last. After I rounded it all on, I'm just gonna put this on here and clip. That's one thing. So as these are gonna have to go on there. So that's that. It's as well for later. Alligator. Let's pop this one off. Alright, this is off too. So yeah, these two are ready to be caught with it and whatnot. And that's there. Now I need to actually take all these things off, because I'm gonna have to lift this. Cover my whole piece that sits in between the floor and the sub, and figure out the hole for the power cable. And yeah, that will just about it really, because after I've sorted the cable, I'm gonna change that fuse. Like I said, I don't want a fuse in there anymore, because that's gonna be all enclosed. I'm just gonna join it together and that's it. Fuse. Once I get the holes in, I'll be able to hole in cable through where it goes. Then I can attach that one onto there, onto the top. Obviously after I've carpeted it all. Well, I'm gonna kind of put it on the place because I need to cut a notch out for the cable to go through and go into amp. I'll see if I can't possibly do it. I'll bring it up through the amp alley for the amp straight away, but I don't think it's gonna work out for me that way. So cable will probably pop out there somewhere and just go straight into the amp. But a speaker cable, I believe, is just gonna go straight into the through the floor down to the sub. So yeah, right. Let me sort all these other few little things that I'm not gonna be filming on. Like when I hit the stage when I'm actually routing everything and carpeting, that's where going to be the big time lapses there and stuff. So yeah, let me sort these last little bits, and I think this is going to be it for today, as it's about 5:30 or something like that. No, talking crap. 4:30. So yeah, I'm off. Alright then, so this is how my false floor looks like in portable. What are you doing there, you crazy stupid dog? Enough! Right, so basically what I've got to do now is so these are all the legs, supports. This is all needs to be a little bit sanded down, I believe so, and maybe it's not, we'll see how it goes. Well, like corner there needs to be sanded down a little bit. This is now time where all the big time lapses are going to be coming through, because like I said, like I've noticed, if you remember, I did say that I might be doing a Peugeot logo. Not the logo itself, but actually saying Peugeot. I did print out the letters that I want, but for some reason this U and O, well, U definitely is the smallest one out of the lot. I don't know why. I tried different sizes, it just didn't work out. It was still smaller, so I'm gonna have to kind of basically make it a bit bigger. But we'll see how it works out. I'm gonna cut these all and then put them on this 3mm or something like that ply, and then I want it to be here on the top there, Peugeot, saying Peugeot. Right, so basically I'm gonna start off with the letters. From the letters, then I'm gonna be doing all the roundovers. From after the roundovers, there's gonna be all the seams cut for the carpet to sink in, where to cut, and then what else? Basically cutting the logos out, and then the carpet, and then we'll basically putting everything all this prettiness back together, and voila. I'm hoping that the Peugeot logo will work out okay as well, but we shall see. Right, so the first time lapse will be for the letters, and then whatever comes next. So yeah, enjoy the view, peeps. So all of the letters have been cut out, been put in, and what I did is I put them down with water, basically wet this whole thing up and stuck them down. So now how to get my thing, well I waited a little bit for it to dry off, but I'm just gonna cut on. Just spray this all black. G doesn't want to stay. Well, basically that's the outcome. I'm gonna have to work with the G. Doesn't want to bloody stick. Well, that'll do. So there you go, that's the lettering sorted. That's the lettering sorted. Once I peel all these off, I'm gonna get all my letters how I want them. Go away. But yeah. Here we go. Here we go. Now I'm gonna be cutting these out. I'm gonna give it a fire for it to dry properly, and then I'm gonna cut them out. So yeah, let's enjoy the show. Right, so letters have been cut. Yes, the U still looks quite a bit small, but you do get a concept, and I actually think I'm gonna do this so I can mess all the look. Yeah, definitely, yeah. I was using a special blade, well not special blade, but a smaller blade from the normal one to get around all these little ledges, because this is the normal blade what you get, and when you compare, it's like 2 times smaller, I would say. Yeah, 2 times smaller. So yeah, that's it. That's for the letters. Letters have been done. Now I'm gonna move on to all this stuff. So basically, we'll be sanding these blocks. We'll be doing all the round overs with a router. That everything, literally everything that needs to be done with the, oh Jesus Christ, what you call it, what's being done with the router. So yeah, enjoy the show, peeps, again, and I'm gonna get down busy. Right, cool. All of the bits have been all sorted. Everything's been rounded. As you can see, everything's nice and neat. So now what we'll have to do is we'll basically do all the carpeting, apart from one little piece that I forgot to do. Well, but before carpeting, I'm gonna whack these letters on, put all the letters on, because the carpet needs to go over to the top, and that is gonna be the first piece anyways that I need to do, because then I need to attach, well, I'm gonna carpet them, and then these are gonna attach to the one of the boards, and then one piece to this board, one piece to that board, and obviously I still need to paint. So some things I'm gonna paint, like this, these two basically bits, well, three, all of them, I'm gonna paint bottoms black. And where are the little square bits? So this is one, and that's the other one. These two need to be painted because these are going here, and these are gonna have to be screwed down before I do the carpet too. So yeah, few fucking things still need to be sorted. So right, I'm gonna get down to business, and you peeps enjoy the show.